Good evening viewers, you're watching Global TV News with me, Arga Prambudi. We will bring you the latest news from all over Indonesia. First in sport news, this is the counting towards the opening of 2018 Asian Games in Jakarta and Palembang. The opening ceremony will be held at Gelora Bung Karno this Saturday, August 18, 2018. It is said that there will be many traditional dance from Sabang to Merauke. Performance will be broadcast on local TV as well as online. And one day before the big performance, Indonesia will celebrate its Independence Day. The annual ceremony will be held at the State Palace. Every region across the country celebrate this day. That's news for tonight. Stay tuned next update on Global TV News in an hour. I, Arga Prambudi, good night and goodbye.